Today we are going to be riding the dirt bike, the little tiny dirt bike. I might get a new dirt bike. It's going to be a two-stroke. But someone is going to buy that one first. So if you're watching this, if you want to buy that dirt bike, buy it for $1,300. Sorry if I'm talking fast. I just want to get riding. But then, yeah, go on Facebook, and if you see on Marketplace, you'll see my dirt bike on there. You can message me or whatever you want to do. But today we're going to be riding the dirt bike, and yeah. Okay, let's start now. Wait, but should I be wearing the proper gear? Like, I don't have my goggles, but there, I have them, but they're out the door. Or should I be wearing my helmet? Probably not. I don't want to. It's gonna be boring. And if I'm not gonna wear my helmet, I might as well just not wear my chest plate. No, you didn't see that, so it probably didn't look cool to you guys. But yeah, we'll just start riding now. Okay guys, here it is, the mini dirt bike, the pit bike, whatever you want to call it. But it's right here. The keys are already in there. It runs good. If you're wondering why it's muddy, we went for a ride. And yeah, it's pretty loud, kind of. No, not really though. But yeah, we'll be riding it now. So yeah, let's get to that. I gotta get my stuff to record. And look, there's stuff from the video you probably seen before this or after this, because I might forget when I made it. But yeah, that's the Xbox stuff. But hold up, I need to get my stuff and then we'll start the video. Hey guys, I'm sorry if this this looks ghetto from my perspective. I'll show you guys how ghetto this looks. Because you guys know I record on my phone, and I don't have a GoPro. I might get a GoPro this summer, but I'm going to show you how red this looks. It's basically just duct tape on top of my helmet. And I'm not going to be able to edit this, so it's going to have to go through all the boring parts. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put this on and you're gonna watch me dirt bike, I guess. And that's how it's gonna be. You can see right here, I'm pretty sure you guys can see. So I'm gonna put on my helmet and I'm not gonna edit. I don't know if my voice is muffled or not, but it probably is. As you can see, there's me, like Rez, or Ghetto, like Ghetto Bubba, with duct tape and Kool-Aid breast milk. And yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to edit this, so it's just gonna look like that. I don't really need anything else. I just need my dirt bike. Yeah. Which is right there, as you probably could see, because you could see from my perspective. Here it is. Back it up. Probably looks so ghetto, but it's for YouTube. Okay, now I'm gonna go mudding. I don't know if you guys can hear me. That's what I'm gonna do. Hey, I'm gonna pop a wheelie. That was a dope ass sound effect. Like, wondering why I sound weird like this, I just do this all the time. I gotta cover this car. I see them smiling. They're smiling because it looks so ghetto right now. It probably looks like ghetto. Oh, there's some girls over here. Don't floor it. They're probably like all ghetto. I gotta cover it. There's something. No, I gotta go around the block because there's some people over there. I could cut through here. It's for YouTube. Should I? Yeah, I'm cutting through somebody's lawn right now. Yeah, do it every day. Do that every day. Every day I do that. Every day. Okay, there's a lot of water over there. And my ear itches. Watch this wheelie. See all this mud? That's what I was going through earlier, but you guys didn't see that because it's just a face. But ow, that hurt. Should we take this downtown, guys? Yeah, I think we should take this downtown. Or not. You gotta pay. Or not. I'll go around this corner. I'll just take a drive with you guys. Because it's gonna take a long time. There's a lot of mud over here. I'm slowing down because I don't want to slip. Holy crap, I almost slipped. LeBron James. I'm riding sideways. LeBron, Kobe James. I got it right fast. Look at all this dirt coming up. Look at all it. Oh, it's coming up. It's coming up. Sometimes I got it right fast because, like, if you go in the mud, if any of my biking friends that ride it are watching this, you know, if you go fast and you got mud on your tires, it just flies off. So yeah, it's kind of a life hack. Okay, should I hit this jump? Hopefully I don't get arrested. Hey, my beer jerky can from yesterday. Dang it, my chain broke again. I can't pause it either. So you guys are just gonna have to watch me fix my chain. Yo, I thought I heard a car. Okay, so you probably guys can see this. Gotta fix my chain. I would suck if it snapped, because I would have to walk all the way back. Okay, now ride it like that, and then boom, 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 boom. I'll wait for these cars. See all those cars? Wait for them to like just go. So I hit that jump. Let's go, Pickle Rick! Pickle Rick! Watch me hit this jump like a baller. Oh, there's a whole bunch of bugs. I'll probably do some wheelies for you guys. Just jump like a baller too. That sucks. So I hit that again. Probably hit that again. A Gucci. Hey. My chain snapped. No, it didn't snap. It broke. I need to fix it. Oh crap. What happened? Oh, scared me. Dang it, it's in gear. Should I pop some wheelies? My chain fall off again, but oh yeah, I guess I will. I'll do them all the way to my house. Ow! And I'll show you guys where I'll like go when I ride dirt bike. This car is gonna look embarrassing. Probably hit a wheelie. Right here. Probably go through that police again. I'm sorry if you're wearing headphones. I don't know why. I'm just excited for some reason. Yeah. It's kind of boring. But I'm just trying to keep in touch with you guys so it don't get boring. Like the other, like, dirt bike videos where they just ride in like 20 minutes of silence. For like 20 minutes, they don't even talk unless they're off the dirt bike. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm curious. Okay, right here, we're gonna hit these jumps. Oh, there's not even no jumps, what the heck? We're gonna do some wheelies, we're gonna do some pop-up wheelies. Whoa, there's a car. There was a car here, now it's gone. That was a truck. I don't know what happened to it. Okay, we're gonna see if we get stuck right here. Don't get stuck. This where the car got stuck, as you could see where those are. I don't know why they would try to go through those, but they did, and they got stuck. So I don't know what's all about that, but yeah, I'll probably head home now by doing wheelies, because yeah, it's probably boring for you guys now, because it's just I don't know how many minutes it's been on, because I can't see, because it's duct taped. But yeah, I'll probably just head home now. I'll probably just jump. Maximum effort. Okay, yeah, I'll end this video by doing some wheelies. Do wheelie. I can do longer ones. I can. Holy snap, that was like 3 seconds. But that was scary, because as you've seen, I was probably tipping. Should I go that way in my house or that way? I'll probably go this way. Yeah, a wheelie. My little brother and sister. Oh snap, look at this flip flop. Oh, that's my sister's flip flop. What the heck? So a little girl over here, should I run over? I'm just kidding. That's why it's so loud. If I'm in like 4th gear, it's like butter. Let's see what's all in the trash can. Because I've seen some dirt bike videos where they've seen like a broken camera in the trash can. There's a wild Mino PC board. There's a wild Mino PC board. It's like, it's very rare. Oh no, it's running, guys. Go. I'm just keeping myself amused. I'll keep myself amused by doing this wheelie. Okay, I'm probably stopping my house now. My friend Carson's house, yeah, he rides dirt bike too. Probably do a video. Hey, watch this. Oh, I missed it. My friend, look, don't let him see me with this. Just burn. The duck goes brrrr. Pop. This is my grandpa. Yeah, I'll just check out the video. What's up? I was doing a YouTube video. Now, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. So you could just watch me untangle this and be all ninja balling. How long has that been? Alright, 12 minutes. I don't know why this is weird, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it for the video, so I'm gonna end the video now.